Retirement is a significant life event that marks the end of an individual's working career. For many people, retirement is a time of reflection and self-discovery, where they can reconnect with friends and family, travel, and engage in meaningful activities. However, retirement can also be a time of uncertainty, as individuals may struggle to adjust to their new lifestyle and find purpose and meaning in their lives. Individuals need to plan and prepare for retirement, both financially and emotionally, to ensure a smooth and fulfilling transition into their golden years. So why not retire with a complete road layout, have the currency on your smart device, and enjoy the leisure of life? What's better than to retire with a cryptocurrency like Gala in your pocket in which you have invested smartly? In this video, we will tell you how much Gala you need to retire with and the price predictions of Gala. You are watching Crypto University, where you can get the latest updates on all things crypto, NFTs, and blockchain related. Tune in for a fun and informative experience. Remember, we will never request your personal information or contact you through WhatsApp. Beware of any potential scams or spam comments in the comments section. Be sure to watch the full video and show your support by liking it if you enjoyed the content. Without further delay, let us just dive in. What is a Gala? Gala is the native cryptocurrency of the Gala Games platform, which is a decentralized gaming ecosystem built on the blockchain. With the growing popularity of this platform, many users are wondering how much Gala they would need to retire comfortably. So, let's dive into the details and find out the answer to this question. First, it's essential to understand that the amount of Gala required to retire depends on various factors, such as your current lifestyle, spending habits, and future financial goals. Therefore, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. However, we can use some general principles to estimate the amount of Gala required to retire. The first step is to determine your yearly retirement expenses. You can calculate this by estimating your current annual expenses and adjusting them for inflation and other factors, such as medical expenses and travel. Next, you need to estimate your retirement period. This is the length of time you expect to be retired, which is typically around 20 to 30 years. Once you have these two figures, you can estimate the total amount of money you need to retire by multiplying your yearly retirement expenses by the number of years you expect to be retired. Now, let's talk about some conversions. To do this, you need to consider the current price of Gala and the future value you expect it to reach by the time you retire. It's important to note that Gala is a highly volatile cryptocurrency, and its value can fluctuate significantly in a short period. Therefore, it's essential to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. Assuming a conservative estimate of the future value of Gala, you can calculate the number of Gala required to retire by dividing the estimated total retirement amount by the expected future value of Gala. For instance, if your estimated retirement amount is $1 million and you expect Gala to reach $1 in the future, you would need 1 million Gala to retire comfortably. However, this is just a rough estimate, and the actual amount required may vary depending on several factors, such as market conditions and personal circumstances. Therefore, it's essential to consult with a financial advisor or conduct extensive research before making any investment decisions. Some additional points to consider when estimating how much Gala you need to retire can be: consider your risk tolerance. Cryptocurrency investments can be highly volatile, so it's important to consider your risk tolerance when deciding how much of your retirement portfolio to allocate to Gala. If you have a low risk tolerance, you may want to allocate a smaller percentage of your portfolio to Gala and focus on more stable investments like bonds or index funds. Keep an eye on market conditions. The price of Gala can fluctuate significantly depending on market conditions, so it's important to keep an eye on any news or events that could affect its price. For example, if a new game is released on the Gala Games platform and attracts a lot of users, the price of Gala may increase. Factor in taxes. If you sell your Gala at a profit, you may be subject to capital gains taxes. It's important to factor in the tax implications of selling your Gala when estimating how much you need to retire. Diversify your portfolio. While Gala may be a promising investment, it's important to diversify your retirement portfolio across different asset classes to minimize risk. Consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to stocks, bonds, and other assets in addition to Gala. Revisit your retirement plan regularly. Your retirement goals and financial situation may change over time, so it's important to revisit your retirement plan regularly and adjust your Gala allocation as needed. Remember, estimating how much Gala you need to retire is just one part of your overall retirement planning. It's important to consult with a financial advisor and create a comprehensive retirement plan that takes into account all of your financial goals and circumstances. Take into account your other sources of income. When estimating your retirement expenses, don't forget to factor in any other sources of income you may have, such as Social Security benefits or pension payments. This can help reduce the amount of Gala you need to save to retire comfortably. Consider your desired retirement lifestyle. The amount of Gala you need to retire depends heavily on the type of retirement lifestyle you desire. If you plan to travel extensively, for example, you may need more Gala to cover your expenses than if you plan to stay close to home. Decide on your retirement age. The age at which you retire can significantly impact the amount of Gala you need to save. If you retire earlier, you will need more Gala to cover your expenses than if you retire later. Now let's talk about some factors influencing Gala's price. Adoption and usage of the Gala Games platform by players and developers. The overall sentiment of the cryptocurrency market. Development progress and updates of the Gala Games ecosystem. Competition in the blockchain gaming industry. Regulatory changes may affect the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Now, let's move on to the price predictions for Gala in 2023. Prediction 1. Some analysts predict that Gala's price may reach $0.20 by the end of 2023. This prediction is based on the assumption that the Gala Games platform will continue to gain popularity among gamers and developers, resulting in increased demand for the Gala token. Prediction 2. Other analysts are more bullish on Gala's future, predicting that it could reach $0.50 or even $1 by the end of 2023. This prediction is based on the expectation that the Gala Games platform will achieve significant growth and adoption, resulting in increased usage of the Gala token and higher demand. Prediction 3. However, it's important to note that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and price predictions should be taken with a grain of salt. There may be unforeseen events or factors that could cause the price of Gala to fluctuate significantly. So here was all of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.